Hello, mabuhay. This is Teacher Lourdes, and this is your course, The Teaching Profession. Our lesson 5 is Republic Act 9293, an act amending certain sections of RA 7836. Our sources are Teaching Profession by Celia M. Ilanan, PhD, et al., and Teaching Profession in the 21st Century by Dr. Sarandi and Dr. Babao. Special thanks to Canva.com. The objectives of our lesson are discuss Republic Act 9293, an act amending certain sections of RA 7836, and explain what you have learned from this lesson. Lesson proper. Republic Act 9293 is an act amending certain sections of RA 7836 with the passage of RA 9293. The following are provisions that were amended in RA 7836. 1. The changes in Section 15, E3 of Republic Act No. 7836 provide that a graduate of a school, college, or university recognized by the government and possesses the minimum educational qualifications is qualified to take the exam as long as he or she is a holder of a bachelor's degree in early childhood education or its equivalent for preschool teachers. A bachelor's degree in elementary education or its equivalent for elementary teachers, a bachelor's degree in education or its equivalent with a major and minor, or a bachelor degree in arts and at least 18 units in and sciences with a for secondary teachers and a bachelor's degree in the field of professional education for specialization or its equivalent with at least 18 units in professional education for teachers of vocational and two-year technical courses. In Section 1. 2. Teachers who are older holders of certificates of eligibility issued by Civil Service Commission and the DECS and those registered professional teachers with the nation for teachers under Presidential Decree 1006 are exempted from taking the exam. Section 2. Professional teachers who have not practiced their profession for the last 5 years shall take at least 12 units of education courses consisting of at least 6 units of pedagogy and 6 units of context courses or the equivalent training and number of hours to be chosen from a list of courses to be provided by the board and the Department of Education before they can be allowed to practice their profession in the country. Section 2. Those who have failed the licensure examination professional teachers with a rating of not lower than 5 percentage points from the passing general average rating shall be eligible as para-teachers upon issuance by the board of a 2-year special permit, renewable for a non-extendable period of 2 years. The para-teacher shall be assigned to areas where there is a shortage or absence of a professional teacher as identified and provided by the Department of Education and the Autonomous Region for Muslim Mindanao or ARM Education Department to the Board for Professional Teachers and to the Commission. The special permit shall indicate the area of assignment of the para-teachers. And lastly, a special permit may also be issued by the board to a person who has excelled and gained international recognition and is widely acknowledged expert in his or her person, or the person has excelled in his respective field of specialization. Section 2. For our student activity, explain what you have learned from this lesson in 5 to 10 sentences. Submit to our Google Classroom in 2 days. Thank you and mabuhay!